Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Peugeot Boxer panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has been subject to an AA inspection with 128 points and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. This exemplar in the professional trim level comes painted in steel grey in the L3 H2 configuration. It's equipped with the heated and electrically adjustable mirrors, barn-style opening doors at the rear and rear parking sensors, and a sliding door on the curb side. In the rear cargo area, you have a lighting fixture over the roofline and 8 anchorage points at floor level, plus 5 more at mid-height and a full metal bulkhead. Size-wise, it's 144 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 204 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, and then an extensive 365 centimeters of fully usable floor space. The cabin is in a 3-seat configuration with a fully independent and adjustable driver's seat, equipped with lumbar support and an adjustable armrest over the left side. And they're finished in fabric with eco-leather surroundings on the sides. The middle seat over the bench is equipped with a tray table with a clip holder and 2 different sizes cup holders, while the dashboard has useful storage solutions in front of the passenger, plus a locked glove box on top. And at the center of the dashboard, you have a retractable clip holder, which also doubles as an extensible phone or tablet holder. The 4-spoke multifunction steering wheel is adjustable in depth and houses the settings for the infotainment over the left-hand side, plus voice commands, and phone call rejection or acceptance over the right-hand side. The cruise control settings are located in a stalk just behind the steering wheel over the left-hand side, and then you have the classic stalk for indicators and wipers. The cluster button over the right-hand side controls the trip computer, while also using the trip button to switch between settings as well. And you can adjust the height of the main beam as well, or toggle the auto start and stop. Over the driver armrest, you can find the controls for the electrically adjustable mirrors, power windows, and the center locking unit. The infotainment unit is a Peugeot Uconnect with a 5-inch touchscreen, equipped with DAB radio, navigation powered by TomTom, and Bluetooth capability as well. Just underneath the infotainment, you can find the air conditioning controls, plus a couple more toggles for the heated mirrors, center locking unit, and the toggle for the traction control. The radio also supports infotainment and media reading through USB, and you can find the USB Type-A port on the left-hand side. The vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Peugeot Boxer panel van. For any enquiries, feel free to contact us.